Hi, today we're in the kitchen of our everyday lives to learn about consciousness and nutrition. Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on the evolutionary journey. So you will come to realize as you go on your journey, your palate is going to change. You will come across new foods and you will start to crave these foods that maybe you have never been introduced to before. That's what happened to me on my journey when I came across cilantro. You see, cilantro is very important to our journey and to removing heavy metals from the body. So as we go on our journey, we should listen to the cravings that we have from within. So you'll start to see that as your body changes, certain foods will not agree with you and you will begin to reject them. They no longer serve your purpose. And then you will come across different foods that have underlying value to you and your body. And that's what cilantro is. This is a simple thing that we could add to food and help us and improve the health of our everyday lives. You see, heavy metals do not belong in the body, and cilantro, its properties remove heavy metals from the body. So it's been shown that diets that include cilantro over the course of 30 days, over 80% of metals have been removed from the body. These metals include mercury, aluminum, and lead. So we're always going to come across these, whether it's in other foods or in the water that we drink. But when heavy metals begin to build up in the body, our physical and mental health begins to decline. So this is important for your arsenal to remove heavy metals from the body. So how could we apply this? And just doing simple things that we can include cilantro in our diet. So one of the things that I came across and I started to make myself, okay, put it in this beautiful glass here so you guys can see, is hummus. Okay, so I had cilantro or California hummus, and this is a very easy thing, okay? I make a phenomenal hummus, just so you know. Okay, so if you make hummus, this is very simple, easy snack to make. Chickpeas, the cilantro, sea salt, garlic, a little bit of olive oil, and you make yourself a healthy snack. Very simple to make and something that you could simply include in your diet. That's one thing. And the other thing is preparing water overnight. So you get yourself a mason jar and you could just put a few stalks of the cilantro in the water and leave it in the fridge overnight. Drink that water, okay? So that water will be purified of the heavy metals and that water is going to flow through you as well. So you can include cilantro in rice. It's a very simple, and it doesn't seem like such a big deal, but this is a very easy thing that we could add to our diet to remove heavy metals that do not belong in our body. This is a very big deal, and many of us should be aware and conscious that heavy metals can make our physical and mental health decline. So using the power of cilantro in our everyday life, simple foods, add the cilantro in, get the heavy metals out of there because they don't belong inside of you, okay? Few other things, chlorella, you get it in tablet form, all right? And chlorella and cilantro together, these are simple things that you can remove heavy metals from the body. So sometimes we don't have to be overly complicated. We can make simple foods that include cilantro, we should understand the health benefits of this plant and include cilantro and chlorella in our diets and see our interior energy raise. So I hope you've liked this. I will come across in any dimension. So if you like learning about the health benefits of foods, I'd like to incorporate this in the channel as well. Leave a comment if you'd like me to break down some other foods and the different health benefits for your overall health and for your journey. But remember, as you are changing, your palate is going to change. So be aware of this, listen from within, and use that as your guide to the foods that you start to crave, maybe that you've never eaten before, and the ones that no longer resonate with you, get them out of there, because your body is going to change on your journey. A lot of heavy metals out there, so remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious of the removal of heavy metals that cilantro can do for you, and incorporate this in your diet and improve the physical and mental health of your everyday life. I'll see you out on the front line soon. Have a good day.